Hello. Okay, how are you? Alright, welcome to another video. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean a fish by using your bare hands. Okay, now you go for, let's say, fishing. You don't have your knife with you. So how? Okay, you only got your hands. In Tamil, they said, Tan kaiye tanaka udavi, meaning your own hands is your helping partner. Okay, so how? Let me show you. This is a small fish. Okay, it's a small fish. Now I'm going to show you how to use your hand to tear. Okay, to tear open this fish and to clean it before you heat. Before you heat it. Okay, now see carefully. Okay, now you see the fish here. This part, this is the lifeline of a fish, same as a human. The lifeline is over here. Your breathing tube is over here. That's why when people want to kill you, when thieves want to come and rob you, they hold the knife on your neck. Why? Your lifeline, your breathing tube. Same for fish. Okay, now this fish is already dead. Let's say it's still alive. You want to tear it. How do you do it? Okay, you hold the neck. Okay, you see. Now use your two fingers. You need to press this. Okay, see, put your finger inside. All right, now can you see it? Okay, what you need to do now is to tear the head. Use this now. See, you tear the head. Okay, now I've separated the head from the body. I have beheaded the fish. Okay, now the head, you can keep it. I'll tell you why. Alright, now you see. So now I have a headless fish. So what do I do with this headless fish? Turn it over. Ding, ding. Okay, now you put your finger inside and you open it up. You open it up nicely. Okay, now open it up this way and you need to dig out all the waste inside. You dig out the waste inside. Okay. Open it up some more. Open it up some more. Put your finger. Be careful of the bones. Sometimes tiny bones can be sharp. Okay, now I've opened up the fish already. Now I've opened up the fish. Now I can hold it this way. Okay, now you keep the tail because you need to hold the tail now. So you keep the tail. Now, when you start up a fire, you can, but don't use your hand. Use 2 sticks or 1 stick. A twig, take it from a branch, you poke it through the inside part and you hold it on top of the fire. You need to hold it on top of the fire. The fire must go inside the fish to heat it and to cook it. Like I've mentioned in my another video, if you got any spice, you can put the spice there. Or if you got any salt, pepper, chili powder, you can put it. If you don't have anything, it's okay, never mind. In a jungle, if you don't have all these, it's okay. After you start a fire, you take the stick, you poke it, and you hold it on top of the fire. Make sure the fire goes in until the fish is properly cooked and heated before you consume. Or if you cannot make a fire, if you dare to eat it raw, go on. Survival. Okay, in the center there's a bone here in the center also. Remember, can you see the bone? Yeah, this is the bone. If you don't want the bone, you can tear it out also. But after you cook the fish, after you heat the fish, the meat will become soft, so it's easy for you to peel off. So you can peel off the fish, you can tear the fish after it has been cooked also. You can just tear it and you can eat it. You can separate the meat from the bone. Okay, so this is how. Okay, this applies to a small fish. A big fish, if you don't have a knife, if you don't have a survival jungle knife, you can use your hand, but it's a bit more difficult. Okay, I'll get a big fish and I'll show it to you in another video next time. Okay, Okay, now let me show you another fish now. Okay, this is a headless fish, and this is a fish with head. Okay, you see the difference? Okay, now one more time, I'm going to show it to you. The fish with head, the lifeline, the neck, is where this is how you kill a fish also. Okay, can you see the blood dripping? Can you see the blood dripping there? Okay, hole here, make a hole here, make a hole, and put your finger inside. Okay, put your finger inside, be careful, it's very slippery, be careful. And tear the head off. You won't be eating the head. Just tear it off, can you see? I'm going to do it slowly now. Okay, tear off the head like this. Now this is also a headless fish. Then you put your hand inside, you tear some more. Be careful of the bones, do it slowly. You tear it some more, okay. Alright, now. Slowly, do it slowly, do it slowly. Be careful of the bone, be careful of the bone. Can you see the bone? This is the bone. Okay, this is the bone. Can you see the bone? This is the bone, be careful. Okay, that's it. Okay, make sure it's clean. And another thing you need to do, before you heat it, you can wash it with water. Sea water or river water. You can wash it. Okay? Okay, remember I told you, don't throw away the head. Keep the head. Why? You can use it as a bait. Okay, if you got a fishing line, you can use it as a bait to catch other fish, other bigger fishes. Okay, this can be reused as a bait, or can also be used as a fertilizer if you got a plantation in your garden. Alright? Okay then. Thank you very much for joining me with the fish. Till we meet again in the next video. Bye bye.